Now there's so many different channels in these niches on YouTube, and I thought in this video I would reveal to you another niche that I've never revealed before on YouTube, and I think you're gonna get a ton of value from this video right here. So it's one thing to tell you how to make money on YouTube without making videos, but it's a whole nother thing to actually show you examples of channels doing this. So with that being said, let me jump on my computer right here to show you some actual examples of channels doing this, and then I'm going to reveal to you exactly how you can make the most amount of money doing this, how you can get views, subscribers, and actually blow up your channel and get other people to make the videos for you, as well as generating the videos yourself. All of that and much more covered in this video, so keep watching. First of all, let's jump on my computer right here and take a look at an example channel doing this. And this channel is called Viral Vehicles. As you can see, they have 200,000 subscribers. And if you can't tell already, today we're talking about the car niche. So the car niche, the motorcycle niche, and basically the automotive niche in general is a huge niche on YouTube, and a niche that doesn't necessarily even require you to show your face or get on camera. And a lot of the channels that I'm showing you today don't even show their face or get on camera once for their videos. Their videos are literally just pictures that they didn't even take, with videos that they didn't even make, with them doing a voiceover on top of the video and making it transformative, making it fair use, and making it into their own video. So the way that they're doing this is, if we go to this channel right here called Viral Vehicles, with over 250,000 subscribers, is they just make videos about viral topics like 7 car features that no longer exist. 3.2 million views on that video. And if we take a look at this particular video right here, as you can see, it's literally just a title on the video with stock videos playing in the background with pictures in the video, and this channel is getting 200,000 views a month on their channel, and some of these videos get millions upon millions of views. And as you can see right here, they're not even uploading nearly as much as I would actually recommend. If possible, I do recommend uploading every single day, but if it does take you longer to produce content, then I would do 3 uploads a week. And if you can't do that, then I recommend 1 upload per week. Now, this channel is only pretty much uploading once a month, 2 videos a month on some months. Sometimes they go like 2 months without uploading. And I would guess that this channel could easily hit 1 million views a month if they were to upload every single day on their channel. And you can get an instant competitive advantage on all the other channels out there just by uploading more frequently than them. And this channel right here, Viral Vehicles in the car niche, is by far not the only channel doing this. In fact, here's another channel called Omni Rider. And as you can see, this channel just talks about different types of cars, motorcycles, and all that kind of stuff. 5 forgotten car mods, 5 types of teenage drivers, and this guy actually just basically rides his motorcycles while he's talking about these different cars, and then he shows pictures of the cars and the engines or whatever he's talking about in the video overlaid on top of his motorcycle footage. And I know there's a lot of YouTubers that do this. There's YouTubers that just show like gameplay in the background of their video because people are really just listening to the video, and then maybe show the occasional image on top of the video as well. And that's really all you need to do to make a channel and this channel almost has over 100,000 subscribers, getting over 200,000 views a month on the channel. And here's yet another channel called Bladed Angel with 400,000 subscribers. Same types of videos. This one is just showing like pictures and videos in the background while talking on top of the video. This channel almost has 500,000 subscribers, and they get over 60 to 100,000 views a day on their channel. Let's jump in here and take a look at another channel called Vizio Racer with 400,000 subscribers, and they just do videos like the 9 small engines with lots of cylinders, 1.3 million views. And if we take a look at one of their videos right here, as you can see, it's literally just showing different videos with text on top of the video with someone doing a voiceover in the background of the video, and this channel is getting 2 million views a month on their channel. Here's yet another channel called Modern Muscle with over 180,000 subscribers, same types of videos in which they don't even show their face, getting over 1 million views a month. So what all of these channels have in common is they're in the car niche.